definition of the word hate. And Filipinos, of course, are the inhabitants of this country. Filipino is not just a single word. It's a great responsibility. Responsibility that we can always be proud of, and responsibility that we can show to the world. Those responsibilities will measure how we love, honor, salute, and respect our country. We Filipinos, do we have what it takes to be a Filipino? How can we be true Filipinos? Those questions are seeking for an answer. An answer that will linger in our hearts, and answer that will open our minds. We have different interpretations of being a Filipino. Some says, we are Filipinos because our parents are Filipinos. While others are saying that having an average height and kayumanggi color of skin are the characteristics that Filipinos have. Genetically speaking, they are the dominant characteristics of the Filipinos. But those are just physical identities. Being a Filipino won't stop there. We can truly be a Filipino if we are considering ourselves as Filipinos in hearts and minds. But how can I make sure that I am a Filipino in heart and mind? I'm sure you're asking that yourselves. The only answer for that question is simply practicing the traditional Filipino characteristics. But it's not just a simple task. We should do it with passion and dedication. We are Filipinos if we are eating street foods, if we are still smiling despite of the problems and tribulations, then we are Filipinos. Our fellow Filipinos prove that, and I witnessed that from those who were affected by different detrimental disasters like landslide, typhoon, and earthquakes. Those tough times do not make the Filipinos to quit. Instead, they are making us brave. Another distinct characteristic of the Filipino is saying po at opo. Saying that to the elderly portrays the true meaning of respect. We Filipinos are also noted for our hospitality, and religion has also a place in our tradition. Attending Mass and everyday prayers evident how religious the Filipinos are. Patriotism, another word that describes the Philippines. Many historical events and historical people justified and prove how nationalistic we are. Many of them unveiled their heroic deeds and chose to put their lives in risk and danger. And Dr. Jose Rizal and Andres Bonifacio serve as their catalyst in defending our country from the colonizers. Singing the national anthem with pride also shows the characteristic of the Philippines. When we're able to live with those virtues and principles, I assure you, my fellow citizens, my fellow Filipinos, that we are true Filipinos and we have the potential to be the role model of this generation and even in the following years, decades,